My name is Francis, and I'm a cloud support engineer. That's my current role. I come from a system admin and Linux and admin and cloud admin background, and I recently just got certified in Azure Cloud Security Technologies. And I just thought to, share my knowledge about cloud security so far with anyone out there, that might find it helpful. So I'm doing this thing called 10 days of cloud security technologies with Francis. So I'm saying Azure, by the way, because that's the cloud service provider I've worked on the most, right? So, but I'm pretty sure on AWS, GCP, Alibaba, IBM, they all have cloud security technologies too. And the only difference would be the terminologies, but they definitely will have whatever cloud security technologies and policies that are available on Azure will be available on other cloud service providers. At some point, I might delve into maybe AWS or GCP, but for now, I'm going to focus on the cloud service provider that I've worked with the most, which is why I'll be using Azure. You'll be hearing a lot of terminologies from Azure. But if you have any questions about, any similar technologies or tools that are available in Azure, and you want to know what those tools would be or what they are, in other cloud service providers, feel free to drop a comment, ask a question. Trust me, I'll be glad to look into it and get back to you with it. So basically, when it comes to cloud security, I like to break it down into the three major computing resources you get from a cloud provider, which is storage, networking, and computing power, right? So cloud security basically, applies to all these. It applies to your storage, it applies to your networking, it can apply to the computing resources that you get from the cloud. So when we're talking about networking security, we're looking at things like network security groups. You're looking at things like VPNs, right? You're looking at things like firewalls, so there's a few networking cloud security features you can implement. When we're talking about user access, control in this cloud security, you're looking at things like a multi-factor authentication, conditional policies, assigning role-based access control, which helps you, is a way for you to create fine-grained access to users and groups and applications on your cloud environment now, right? And now let's talk about application security. When we're talking about application security, we have things like application gateway. So like I said, I'm trying to keep it short and simple here, but thing is, so this is just like an overview of what cloud security is. In my next video, I'm going to pick one particular cloud security feature policy and talk about it for about a couple minutes to the best of my understanding. And hopefully, someone somewhere learns from this. And if you have any questions, like I say, go ahead and ask your questions in the comment section.